Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to make a call on WhatsApp. To make a call on WhatsApp is super easy. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone and make sure you're connected to the internet via mobile data or Wi-Fi. Once you are done with that, go ahead and make sure that you're in the chat screen. Inside the Chats tab, go ahead and tap on the person you want to call by either opening their existing chat or simply going and typing down their name in the search box. After opening one of the chats, go ahead and tap on the call option at the top right corner. If you want to make a voice call, you can tap on the receiver icon, whereas if you want to make a video call, tap on the camera icon at the top right. Your call will then start ringing. Once the other person picks up, your voice or video call will begin. So that's how you make a video or voice call on WhatsApp. It is that easy. Whether you are catching up with friends or connecting with family, WhatsApp makes it simple and free over Wi-Fi or data. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.